All right. Okay. Nigerians aren't ready for good governance. They don't react. Rotimi Amaechi. Before I comment on this, I would like you to please follow me on my Instagram page, follow me on my TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. It's most important. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment, please comment. I beg you in the name of everything that is good. Comment and like and share, please. If there is anywhere we are not getting it right, just try to call our attention to it. Please comment. So I bring to you Rotimi Amaechi's speech yesterday, and it goes to us. So the former Minister of Transportation and ex-governor of Rivers State, Rotimi Amaechi, has stated that he no longer desires to comment on Nigeria's political issues because Nigerians do not react appropriately, hence are not ready for good governance. According to Rotimi Amaechi, Nigerians are not ready for good governance, hence his decision to keep mute. He made this assertion as a guest speaker at the 2023 the Niche annual lecture themed Why We Stride and Sleep, Leadership, Nationalism and the Nigerian Condition, held on Thursday in Lagos. He said, "What is need to say Nigerians don't react to anything? Has any politician told you he's not a thief? Which politician told you he went to university? Which politician told you she or he served in NYSC? And which politician told you he has his certificate? Nigerians know and still vote for them. So what is your problem?" I say, why should I speak when already there is nothing new? Nigerians chose who to believe and who not to believe. Nigerians choose who to vote and who not to vote. Even if you come to a Nigerian man's house and kill his mother, the father will continue to live his life. Nothing bothers you, nothing. So why should I waste my time? I chose not to speak again because there was nothing to say and because Nigerians would do absolutely nothing. If you say it's a lie, line up 10 Nigerians and shoot them tomorrow. Nothing will happen. So the worst thing about Nigerians is that even if you say you are not committing any crime and they pick you up tomorrow, we said it, he's a thief, Nigerians will join and chorus it. You will go to prison for nothing, Amaechi said, and that he is not ready to go for prison for nothing. So this is what is currently ongoing in Nigeria. So, but this man has come under huge and enormous criticism because some persons have criticized him, saying, when you keep silent in the face of corruption and evil, it means you also is an evil man. Please, I will leave you to watch the full video, and don't forget, as I said, to like, comment and share. We need a better Nigeria. We need Nigeria to work again. Thank you very much, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful moment.
Buhari's government for two reasons, and I won't talk about President Tinubu's government. One reason why I won't talk about Buhari's government, I'm a participant, but they asked me that question yesterday, what moral reason do you have to criticize Buhari's government, having been part of it? That was the argument. I do, if I want to argue it. But, again, that was a huge debate amongst us, and we are all agreed I should say nothing about the government. So I now told them, if I will say nothing about Buhari's government, I will also say nothing about President Tinubu's government, because you know the problem. Instead of Nigerians finding solutions to their problem, they are committing suicide. I'm praying for you every day that you should continue to commit suicide, so that by the time I wake up one day, all of you have died. I can now reap the benefit of your death by taking those things. What other people resist, like in Ghana, as is going on now, like in Kenya, is what Nigerians, no worry, not be 4 years. After 4 years, he will go. The man wins the second time, whether by magic or by crook or by reason. It's not only 8 years. No be good luck, no be good luck don't go so, no be why don't go so. He go soon go. Another person will come and repeat the same thing. You'll be saying that until the day God will come. For those of us who are Christians. So I have chosen to be like you, say nothing, hear and do